My name is Dawon. I'm with Eagle Edge Custom Furniture. Right now it's just me working the business, so we are just starting out. Yeah, we do custom furniture like tables, a lot of tables, bed frames. Right now I'm doing a pool table, so that's an interesting project coming up. So
how's that going? What's that consist of? What are you making it out of?
So it's made out of red cedar. That's the wood I'm using for it, and then it's made with real slate. And so I made one in high school, my senior year in high school, and so it turned out pretty good. So so I figured I'd sell one. So
that's awesome. What brings you to Rustic Lumber Store? Like, how do you come here?
Well, Rustic Lumber Store has a great selection of wood, obviously, and then all the features that this store has, like the flattening machine, and then you know, the kiln, the dry kiln, and like a bunch of other stuff. So we appreciate coming here, and they do a good job.
What's been your favorite wood you worked with?
Well, so far I've only worked with Perota and Monkey Pod for the exotic woods, and out of those two I like the Monkey Pod the best. I'd like to work with more. Got a dragonwood project coming up, so that'll be interesting to work with. So
okay, what are you doing with dragonwood?
I'm making a bar top out of it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna be like a wraparound bar top, so not too big, but it'll be pretty good size. So
awesome. Just thanks for stopping in, man, and just tell everybody where they can find you.
Yeah, you can find me on Instagram and Facebook at Eagle Edge Custom Furniture. So
awesome. Thanks for stopping in.
Appreciate it.